I've got an old mule and her name is Sal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. She's a good old worker and a good old pal. 15 years on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some barges in our day, filled with lumber, coal, and hay. And every inch of the way we know, from Albany to Buffalo, Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, for we're coming to a town. And you always know your neighbor, and you'll always know your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. We better look around for a job, oh gal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. 'Cause you bet your life I never part with Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. Get up there, mule, here comes the lock. We'll make Rome about 6 o'clock. One more trip and back we'll go, right back home to Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody in town. Low Bridge, for we're coming to a town. And you'll always know your neighbor, and you'll always know your pal, if you ever navigated on the Erie Canal. Oh, what would I do if I lost my pal? 15 miles on the Erie Canal. Oh, I'd like to see a mule as good as Sal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. A friend of mine once got a sword. Now he's got a busted jaw. 'Cause she let fly with her iron toe, and she kicked him into Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, for we're coming to a town. And you'll always know your neighbor, and you'll always know your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. Don't have to go on myself. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. She tries to restore like a good old gal. 15 miles on the Erie Canal. I eat my meals with Sally's J. I eat my beef and she eats hay. And she ain't so slow if you want to know. She put the buff in Buffalo. Low Bridge, everybody down. Low Bridge, for we're coming to a town. And you'll always know your neighbor, and you'll always know your pal, if you've ever navigated on the Erie Canal. Thank you.